Be loved for who I am.
You make a valid point, and my thought is that if you were to take 2 gallons of milk and separate them.
Hi, welcome to Movie 7. What can I get for you guys?
Yeah, we'll get 2 for Iron Cat.
Ooh, yeah, sorry about that.
Teaching Chad how to be a bear. Teaching Chad how to be a bear. Micah, you eat your veggies? Okay.
Okay, so I'll trade you 2 chocolates for... Oh, that. Give me that.
I'll give you this one.
Okay, fine. Deal. The brown one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me some.
Here you go, Mike. Happy Halloween.
Nice ride. What's it retail for? Come on, boy, come on. Good boy. Good boy.
Catch my bus, see my friends. Catch my bus, see my friends.
Locked up, they won't let me out. They won't let me out. Locked up, they won't let me out. No, they won't let me out.
What is this? The new guy. Some festive music. District 3, we got a code 10. Okay, call it off. Have a good day, sir. That's enough for you, little guy. You ready? Bikini Launcher 2000. All right, lunchtime, Mike. Come and get it. It's not over, Mela. He still loves you.
Kisses on cheeks. And that's how it works. How you get the.
Okay, I'm heading out. All right, guys, be good. Hey Mike, what's up? Who is that?
Go, Michael! Phil, no!
Подпишись на новые видео. Подпишись на новые видео. Подпишись на новые видео.